I just met someone just right here. Oh, he said, oh, you're a gay Igbo man on TikTok, right? He started talking to me. And one thing I noticed is that he kept keeping his distance. He doesn't want to come closer to me. And then he said to me, why are you saying that you're an Igbo person? And he said that he's from Edo State. And I said to him that Edo State has prostitutes, right? And they have great people. And I said to him, if someone says, I'm from Edo State, I'm a prostitute, would you like that? He said no. And if someone is from Edo State and that person says, I'm a rich person, would you like that? He said yes. And I said, there you go. I'm a gay Igbo man, I'm Igbo, I'm gay, and that's fine.
What's in it for me? If you're looking for the fucking man, maybe you don't need to look.
Good afternoon, good evening, good day. I was vlogging for TikTok and all of the things. So I went for a viewing today and I liked the place. I don't know what will happen if I'm going to be able to get the place. I've just emailed them to say that I like the apartments and there are certain things you need to do. Let me clip this here. They said to fill out a form which I have filled and I'll see what happens if I'm going to get it. The place is within my budget. I don't like where I'm staying at the moment, so let's see what happens. There's a scarf I bought for my sister that I gave to my cousin when he was going to Nigeria. And that scarf is on sale. I want to go to the shop to see if they still have it so I can buy it. I really, really like it. I will see if I can. Everyone is going home from work. I'll see if they still have it. And then I will go to Asda to buy food. I was talking to my man earlier and I was talking to him about my experiences as a gay person that is really, really made me to have this fortitude that I am appreciative of, and I love that. Anyway, let's go. If you know me, you know that I don't really care. I don't care if anybody's looking at me, but I don't know why I'm having these moments where I just feel so comfortable for some reason, maybe because of my mood. Sometimes when you're trying to get things done and you're all over the place and you don't feel like settled, it just feels so weird. I just feel some type of way. I don't even have my big camera because I have a bigger camera that I vlog with. Once you have it, everyone will know that you're holding it. This camera is not conspicuous. It's a really small camera. But I was just walking through Otso Lane and some people were just staring at me and I'm like, maybe they're just looking at me because I'm too cute. I don't know. Normally I don't really care, but for some reason I did. Let me just run through my outfit. I don't know what you can see. Let me move this backwards a little bit. I'm wearing this shirt from Weekday. My tote bag is from Cause. This shirt is from Rag and Bone, and I'm wearing Supergas, and I have these sunglasses. These sunglasses, really cool. I don't know where I got them from, but they're really cheap actually. So let me go up here. So let me go up like this. Can you see my shoes? My sneakers is from Superga. This is all over the place, I swear. This is all over the place. So that's my outfit quickly. I want to go to Anthropology in St. Anne Square to see if they still have this scarf that I got for my sister. I want to get it for myself as well. It's really cheap. It's on sale and it's like 70%. And I was just thinking of that today. Let me just go there. And when I finish, as I said earlier, we go to Asda to buy some food because a boy has to eat. Let me tell you, the way the skyline of Manchester has changed since I've been living in Manchester is crazy. These are really new. Yeah, anyway, let's go.
Trust on God, I got them blessings over me. South African, they still playing my shit in New Orleans. I'm back in, I'm taking all this.
I wasn't even thinking. It's 5:44 and Anthropology has closed. They have. I wasn't even thinking. I thought for some reason, I just thought they stayed till like 8 o'clock. I don't know why I thought that. I thought they were going to be open until 8 o'clock. My bad. It's so weird how the light changes and changes depending on where you walk past. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry and I'm feeling like going to buy something somewhere to eat before I go to Asda because I've not had lunch and I don't know how long I'm going to be able to wait for this before I go and buy my food. I need to buy some eggs, banana. What am I saying? Yeah, banana, yeah. Eggs, banana, bread. I have milk already. And maybe butter. But I don't really like butter. I do like oat spread and things like this. I don't know if they have them in Asda. But I'm just going to walk towards Ancoats. Maybe I go to Social Refuge and just have a drink or something, or get something to eat before I go to Asda, because I want to walk to Asda. I've spent so much money today, I don't want to spend more money. It's one of those things. Adulting is not easy. You know, one thing I don't understand as well, I just feel like some of these Nigerian and a lot of African people who come across my social media page, I don't know if they think I'm a bank. Like, you'll see someone engage with your content, and after a while, they will be telling you all their life stories. And this is why I'm really scared these days to ask people, how are you? What's going on with you? Because as soon as you ask, you've opened a can of worms, and then they will be telling you all their life stories and their troubles and all of the things. And I understand that life is tough. It's tough for me as well. Like, I don't have a tree that grows money in my backyard. I don't know if some of these people think I have. And it's the same people, some of them, not all of them, but some of them are really extremely homophobic at the same time. And then they will come and ask you for help. It's wild to me. Anyway, let me walk quickly.
No pressure, no pressure.
I swear cool never looked so new. Maybe you can share your secrets. Can we cruise for an hour or two? Have you home before the evening? Yeah. I wanna know your story. Listen to it all night long. I've been started.
I just met someone just right here in the corner here. As I was about to come over here. Oh, he said, oh, you're a gay Igbo man on TikTok, right? He started talking to me. And one thing I noticed is that he kept keeping his distance. He doesn't want to come closer to me. And then he said to me, why are you saying that you're an Igbo person? I tried to explain to him that there's a lot of gay people who are from so many tribes. Homosexuality does not have any tribe. And I gave him instances, and he said that he's from Edo State. And I said to him that Edo State has prostitutes, right? And they have great people. They have businessmen. They have wealthy men. They have men that are doing things that are great. And I said to him, if someone says, I'm from Edo State and I'm a gay man, no, I'm a prostitute, would you like that? He said no. And if someone is from Edo State and that person says, I'm a rich person, would you like that? He said yes. And I said, there you go. I'm a gay Igbo man, I'm Igbo, I'm gay, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't understand why people feel like I shouldn't say that I'm a gay Igbo man. I'm just going to say where I am from. My heart is pure, I am honest. If someone has a problem with that, that's their problem. And one thing is that Igbo people have thieves, fraudsters, scammers, and all of these things, and you're worried about me being a gay Igbo man. He was really kind though. He was really kind, I'm going to say that, and respectful, and said to me that he doesn't have any problem with me being a gay person. But I shouldn't be saying that I'm a gay Igbo man. That is bringing bad name to my people. I don't understand. My dear, I'm just going to go. I need to go back. But I don't understand this whole thing about me saying that I'm a gay Igbo person being a problem. I don't understand. I'm just going to show you. You know, like, this side of Manchester has really changed. These CIS buildings are the buildings that used to be here. All these ones are new. This one has always been here. There used to be a pub here that I used to go with my friend to watch football. I still will want to understand why a lot of our people have problems with someone saying that they are gay. That's a story for another day.
Am I on your mind? Or is somebody else that you know what's mine? Tell me what's the vibe, baby. Used to keep me warm at night. Used to tell me I'm your wife. Used to tell me all those things a girl likes to hear. But can I be real? Can I be blunt? Can I be honest? Keeping it real. I don't want fuss, I don't want problems. You gotta tell.
I have a love affair with Manchester. I love Manchester. This is such a beautiful city, and again, I know everywhere. I know places. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm doing. I know where to head to and things like this. I just took a video and sent to a friend of mine and said to him that I found him a flat on Rochdale Canal. I think he would be so angry at me. The majority of the apartments are quite new here. That mill has been there for ages, but majority of them are new.
Sometimes. Stop acting like you don't know. Treating me one way, nice till you be gone.
Any person that says to you that money is not important is lying. Money is not evil, but the use of money, what you do with it. Because some people can have money and just use it to take advantage of people. But having money for yourself and using it to do things that are good for people and for yourself and for family and friends, absolutely important. I was walking past Piccadilly Basin and I kept thinking for years, I've always thought like I would want to buy a house there, like an apartment or something. I've always thought about this and I still think about it. But the thing is that I don't want to buy a flat. I would want to get a townhouse. I think there's some townhouses there, but I think it's above my budget. Anyway, I'm going to get the bus now because I don't want to walk to Asda because I'm tired. I've been walking around, so I'll go and get the bus. I think I'll get bus 86 or 85 to get to Asda. If you are ambitious, be ambitious, dream big and dream for whatever you want and believe that it's going to happen for you, my dear, because money is needed to survive. The way things are so expensive these days is crazy to me. And they started this new thing where if you're buying something from some of these shops, they get you to add and add and add and add, and by the time you add a bit of extra, it'll be so expensive. Like yesterday I went to Five Guys. I will never ever go there ever again. I've never ever tried it. No, I think we did. I think I did go to Five Guys with my mom when we went to Strasbourg, but the food is awful, extremely awful, rubbish. And I paid £20.15 for it when I came back from London yesterday. I will never ever spend my money there again. I'm sorry, it's not worth it. The fries was rubbish, the burger was rubbish, and then they want you to get these extras. They don't put mayonnaise, you have to buy them as extra. You get all of this extra. It's just crazy to me. Absolutely rubbish. I'm sorry, that's how I feel. Anyway, let me go and get on the bus and go and buy what I need to buy because
show you a face you barely recognize. It's okay to feel the pain. Slow down, no, you don't have to work it all out. For now, take your time. I'll be your constant lead. I'll be your lean on me. I'll be your ride or die when the road.
we need to be quick. I want to get bananas, bread, and what? Bananas, bread. I don't think I want butter. Eggs, yeah, eggs. But these are nice. These are organic, is it? I prefer the organic bananas. Are this organic? I have no idea. I just want bananas, that's all I want. I'll get avocados as well. Something that I'm going to eat quickly tonight. Peri chicken, nice pineapple fingers. This one are like how much? £1.50. When does this expire? 13th of August. I've not had fruit for a while, so I'm going to take this because, my dear, I cannot go that long without having any fruit. That's wild. I can't. So just get bread. Where is the bread? I want bread and eggs. Or should I just get bagels? No, I want bread. I want proper breads. The one I bought the other day, I finished it within 2 days. This bread, it's really, really good. I like it. This expires in 3 days. I'll take it and then get bagels. Didn't I say I was going to buy butter? Actually, I'm going to buy butter because it doesn't make any sense not to buy one. What else? Cereals. Where did I find cereal the other day? Okay, that's it. I want this breakfast drink. I'm not gonna lie, things are really, really expensive. I want something sweet. I need butter. Where do we get butter? I don't know, I've not been having butter for a while. I'm going to take this. I'm done. And we're not getting juice, we're drinking water.
Photobombing.
Excuse me, please, how do I do with this? I weigh them.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
He doesn't know how to weigh weight for some bananas. I'm going to show him now.
He's saying that I'm useless.
Search.
Okay.
And he knows you've either got a banana or a dude.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
And once it comes up on there,
Okay.
put them in there.
All right, thank you.
Okay. You said
No,
that. I'm just assuming you're new to the game.
Don't mind me. I need you again, please. I need you again. I wanted to scan my reward thing.
Yeah, just scan it.
I did. Oh, it worked now.
There you go.
That's weird.
You just wanted me here, didn't it?
No, I did it before.
Alright, no worries, pal. There you go.
Thank you. A lot of things I just did not know what I was doing for some reason. I don't know. I just did not do what I'm supposed to do. So I got everything I needed. He was so friendly. Anyway, let me go home. That's my shopping done.
I don't think about it, I just do it real talk.